इसने वक्त नोट किया और तेजी से भागी.
She noted the time and ran faster. She noted the time and ran faster.
मैंने अपनी टांग में अचानक तेज दर्द महसूस किया.
I felt a sudden sharp pain in my leg. I felt a sudden sharp pain in my leg.
हवा ठंडी और तेज महसूस हुई.
The air felt frigid and sharp. The air felt frigid and sharp.
मैं तस्वीर लटकाने गया.
I went to hang up the picture. I went to hang up the picture.
इसने अपना जोश इससे छुपा लिया.
She hid her excitement from him. She hid her excitement from him.
मैंने अपना काम मुकम्मल करने के बाद बेहद इत्मीनान महसूस किया.
I felt immense satisfaction after completing my task. I felt immense satisfaction after completing my task.
इन पर नजरसानी करें और मुझे वापस रिपोर्ट करें.
Go over those and report back to me. Go over those and report back to me.
इसके तमाम ख्यालात मेरे अकीदे के खिलाफ थे.
All her ideas went against my belief. All her ideas went against my belief.
इसने दरवाजे की तरफ धकेल दिया.
He pushed against the door. He pushed against the door.
वो अंधेरे में घर के गर्द चक्कर लगाते रहे.
They crept around the house in the dark. They crept around the house in the dark.